For Lab 6, I'm going to figure out the scale of this air photo based on a distance that you measure from the topographic map. So this is the topographic map. It is the known map or the map distance, and you know the map scale for this, which is 1 to 24,000. So you'll measure something that you can clearly identify on this map. The larger distance you can measure, the better. You'll measure this, multiply it by 24,000, and then divide it by the distance of the same measurement from the air photo, and that will give you your representative fraction. The second page, you're asked to determine the height of, ooh, that's too much, Tower A and Tower B. So to look for this formula, the height of the object is the height of the plane, or the altitude of the aircraft, multiplied by the displacement times the distance from the principal point. So for this one, let me see if I can put on those comment tools. Hold on. I don't know where those went. Oh. Yeah. So you're going to measure the bottom of the tower and the top of the tower, right, to that edge. So this distance here will be your D, and then the distance from the principal point here to the top of the tower is your R. So both of these will be in inches. When you divide, the inches can be removed. Then you multiply it by the airplane height, which is in feet, so you end up with the height of that tower in feet. And you'll do the same thing with the Tower B. For the Hancock Tower, you're looking at, I put a red line going from the bottom of the tower to the top of the tower. So the measurement you get for here is your displacement, and then the principal point, if I can zoom out on this one, or your R, I feel like a pirate. Your R is from, let's see if my mouse is not working. The R is from the, come on. I know you're probably seeing the yellow dot, but it's not showing up from me. Here we go. I don't want that. See, here's the principal point right there. So you're going to measure the distance from here to the top of the tower, and that will be your R. And then, again, your units go away, and you're going to multiply by the flight height, which is 20,000 feet. Then, to determine the scale of this air photo, you're going to use the same method you did on the first map, which is to measure something that you can identify very clearly on the topographic map. So this is the map distance. Multiply that by the scale, and then divide that by whatever that similar feature distance is on that map.